Well, you're awfully brave. Go on now. Go on now. The sky is beautiful. Oh. Well, we definitely just saw a bear cub.
Yeah.
He was so cute and fluffy. But I didn't know where the mama was, and we did not want to get in the way, so we gave him lots of space.
He was fast.
He was fast. He also got tangled up in a construction fence, which made me sad, but he got out of there and got away, so. And
Pretty close to the trailhead.
that's as close as I need to be to a bear. That's good for me. Wow.